What is this?
Look at that.
Ew,
I hate
Julian.
This young she like.
Because she doesn't like tattoos.
This shouldn't hurt.
It's just
Okay.
It was rude.
As long as it didn't hurt, I'm okay. I hate hurting people.
But you heard her all the
He took
time.
me all the time. He took my Reese's.
I don't know. I'm gonna try it. What are you doing?
Jillian, would you like to eat? It's like chocolate latte.
Yeah.
Mookie took my chocolate.
Oh my god, Mookie, how dare you?
Did you just try and give me more chocolate?
No, I gave you the trash.
Scoop.
This is what I mean when I said that.
No, not cool.
That's really gross.
Jillian, give me a surgery.
Move, you doctor, in the way.
Yeah, I think they have them. I think they can go in and remove them once the bone is healed. If the bone is strong enough to remove it, or they may have to use
Hey,
Did you get that on camera?
thank you, man.
If it's crushed, they have to show you how.
You do that?
You're not a liar.
Do you have like
I like normal tattoos.
And normal chocolate.
It's like a split for a tree.